Hey guys, welcome back to Crafting AVN. Today I thought I'd share a few details behind the scenes, so let's get right into it. We recently purchased a new 3D printer from Anycubic, the Kobra S1 Combo, to replace a slower printer we own. One of the first test prints with this new 3D printer has been, of course, of the Moukey MTs10-2 replacement part, as can be seen printing in the video in the background. For those unfamiliar with Moukey, they sell a wide range of audio products, and I have made a replacement part specifically for their MTs10-2 Karaoke machine. I am currently in the process of transitioning our workflow over to center around the Kobra S1 for most, if not all, our future prints. The hope is improvements in print quality and the time it takes to print, which already seems promising. I'm liking the printer quite a bit thus far, not only for the faster print times, but the ease of switching between filament spools. The Ace Pro unit that came with the printer allows me to switch between up to 4 rolls of filament without any manual effort other than the obvious initial loading. I tend to swap back and forth between white and black filament very often, and it is so much easier now, whereas before it was such an involved process. Manually cutting the filament, unloading one roll in the machine, loading another, followed by heating the printer and then purging the old filament from the machine before it's finally ready for me to tell it to print something. There are a lot of positives with this new setup that I can say, and quite a few drawbacks as well. But this video is really not intended to be a review of the Kobra S1 Combo. There are, however, plans to make many things in the future using this product, for ourselves and for others, and hopefully this new machine will, be up to the task. That said, there is a new set of Moukey replacement parts in the works per request, and should hopefully be available in the near future for anyone with similar problems. More on this to come soon. If you came across this video and are in need of a replacement part for your MTs10-2 Karaoke machine, check out our listings or click on another video for more details. Feel free to reach out to us if there are any questions, or if you have a request as well. And again, thank you for watching.